skills.
Knox is learning how to fix his first fan and assemble it. How's it going? Yeah?
Done.
You're done? Is it hard work putting something together? Is that your blueprint? Your manual? What does it say on there?
$100 fan.
It says $100 fan. Wowee, that's expensive. What are you doing now? You're opening what? What's the next part now that you have all of these nice blades put together? What do you do next?
Let me open this one.
Okay. Help you out.
Discard the waste. What's that?
Nope.
Is that to hypnotize someone? You will go to bed on time. You will eat your veggies. You will not talk back to your mama. You will say what you mean.
That's just like, it's a necklace.
Are you going to be like Flavor Flav and wear those things around your neck?
Or around your ears.
What are you doing now?